G'day, here's a lower grade parcel of mine run. I'm going to split this deal in half. As you can see, there's some quite big pieces amongst it. Like I said, it's lower grade mine run. If you find a gem in it, you're doing well, but there's heaps of material to practice, play with, and just generally have a good time. I'll zoom in a bit so you get a better look at some of the pieces individually. Okay, I haven't moved any of the stuff. Left the rule where it was sitting. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted just to give you a better idea of colours. There is some colour in there, as you can see. Some of them are still coated in the clay, that piece. To keep tumbling it'd just start wearing the opal away because the clay is so hard. There's pieces like this amongst it that have got a bit more promise over here. I'm going to split this in two and be randomly scooped to make the two parcels. A few pieces of not much in it, like this. It's still got some opal on it. Bit of a bar in there. As you can see, it's just sort of potch. Other pieces have got some colour in it. A few bits of free clay, I'll throw that bit out. There's a couple of little knobbies embedded in the clay. Here's a bit of sunflash type material, honey potch. Some of this material gets faceted. Black and grey potch with a bit of colour there on the end. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to split it in half and randomly scoop it up into two parcels. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.